Frustrated with the ActiveX VLC Library DLL pop-up blocking VideoLAN? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin our ActiveX VLC library troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the ActiveX VLC library, the core library for the VLC ActiveX plugin, allowing browsers and third-party apps to embed the VLC media engine. If missing, web-based media portals or industrial video dashboards will display a plugin not found error, preventing video playback within the application frame. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for ActiveX VLC Library DLL are stable. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the ActiveX VLC library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Remember that ActiveX VLC Library DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to ActiveX VLC Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing ActiveX's VLC library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.